The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southwestern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, southwestern Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 8:50 p.m. At 7:45 p.m., a confirmed large and very destructive tornado was located near Hillcrest, or northwest of Rochelle, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Damage to roofs, vehicles and businesses will occur. This deadly tornado will be near McHenry at 8 p.m., DeKalb at 8:25 p.m., and Boone at 8:35 p.m. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Get under a workbench or another piece of sturdy furniture. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home or a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.